Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the LR 7.62 sniper in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go over to multiplayer. From multiplayer you want to go over to weapons. From weapon you want to go to loadout, and then from loadout you want to go to whatever custom loadout you want, and then you want to go over to sniper rifles, and it's going to say LR 7.62, and the only way to unlock it is by being level 16, and you will unlock. Yeah, you have to be level 16. So yeah, that is the only way to unlock this. But I think it's not level 16 itself. I think it's level 16 for like what's it called? Sniper rifle. So you have to use the SVD, I'm gonna assume, to get to level 16. For example, like it says level 1, and then for my assault rifle it's level 3. So yeah, I'm gonna assume that it's level 16 with sniper rifle. So you're gonna have to like unlock it at level 16. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and that's basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.